Very sunny.
Maganda lagi ang gising.
Totoo namang maganda.
Pinipili po yan.
That is right, a choice. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Sarah. Yet again, Sarah, can you will first greet everybody and at the same time tell us about your journey with Sun Life, of course, specifically for Save and Protect.
Yes, sir. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat at pasensya na, nininervous po talaga ako, lalo na pag ganito ka-up close, no? Oo, gumaganyan-ganyan na yung mata ko. Good morning po and thank you so much for joining us this morning, for supporting the Sun Life Save and Protect campaign. Ako po ay I'm so happy and excited to be part of this. I'm proud to be part of this. Of course, this is a part of ang daming part, no? As Sun Life celebrates its 130th anniversary in the business of helping Filipino lives become better. Palakpakan po natin ang Sun Life. Maraming salamat po. At of course, gusto ko lang pong mag-share ng konti about sa buhay-buhay. About sa buhay-buhay! Hindi, alam naman po natin na life can be overwhelming at times, especially when dealing with our financial obligations and duties. But the good news po is Sun Life Save and Protect can guide us with our financial journey. Tutulungan po tayo with the right guidance and advice from them, from the experts. And what else? Variety of products that we can choose from. Gagabayan po nila tayo along the way. So, taking small steps at a time. Katulad po na sinabi ko kanina, I chose to see another day as a beautiful one. Diba? Kahit na may mga issues tayo sa buhay, kailangan laban lang ng laban, di ba? Yun. So, saan ako nanggagaling, sir?
Oo nga, parang maganda yung hugot natin for today's video.
No, because kahapon po kasi I performed with SB19. We have a new song actually. It's called Umaaligid. At grabe po yung pressure sa akin. I must admit, because they're so good, nakaka-amaze, nakaka-overwhelm, and at the same time nakaka-inspire. Katulad na lang po ng Sun Life Save and Protect. So, once again, we want to remind you na nandito po ang Sun Life Save and Protect campaign to help you with your financial journey. And please share and spread the word with everyone you know, so we can help more lives, Filipino lives, become better para ma-achieve nila yung mga pangarap din nila sa buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Palapakan po natin, Sarah Geronimo.
With Sun Life Save and Protect, afford mo ang tomorrow. Yun na naibalik ko, sir. Ang galing ko doon.
Diba?
Wow.
Gawa mo siya today, hindi lang tomorrow, pero save na save ang tomorrow. With Sun Life Save and Protect. And of course, join Sarah right here in giving us the great news because we're going to be getting into our raffle draw. Ladies and gentlemen, yet again, please welcome back Sun Life's Chief Client Experience and Marketing Officer, Ms. Carla Gonzalez. Joke, palapakan naman natin. Parehong maganda. Parang parehong brand ambassador. Hi, Ms. Carla. Let's have a photo. Parang parehong po kayo ng kulot for today. Partners for life.
Thanks lang po ako.
Okay, before we go to our wrap-up, picture muna kayo, Sarah G. And of course, Ms. Carla. Pili na lang po kayo. Alam ko medyo nalito po kayo for today's video. Kung sino si Sarah at sino si Carla, para lang kung pinagbiyak na bunga, para magkapatid. Partner for life. Pwede rin ba makapicture sa mga kulot for today? Hindi lang po ako kulot for today, pero dito na po ako. Yeah?
Alright, everyone, be ready, 3, 2, 1.